Hello and welcome back. How do you feel after listening to the formulation of a research problem and hypothesis? Don't you think that formulation of a research problem appears simple when we are inquisitive and creative? Yes, unarguably right. What will we do next? Jump into the course of research? No, wait. We must prepare an operational document regarding how the identified research problem will be investigated. This question must be logically addressed in the study design. So, in this video, you will learn research design and its nature. Once we identify a workable research question based on our research problem and formulate hypothesis thereupon, the next step is to prepare a roadmap for the successful completion of the study. The research design refers to the overall strategy that you choose to integrate the different components of the study in a coherent and logical way, thereby ensuring you the effective addressing of the research problem. It constitutes the blueprint for the collection, measurement, and analysis of data. Research may be a futile exercise due to faulty design. As a systematic and scientific exercise, research should be based on a sound reasoning rather than hit and trial approach. It's better to have a blueprint to evaluate the way ahead. Is there any difference between research design and research method? Let's try to understand the distinction between research design and research method. Research design is a framework to seek answers to the research questions, whereas research method is the technique to collect the information required to answer the research question given the created framework. Hence, research design encompasses the research method. Now, let's understand the criteria of a good research design. Firstly, the research objectives, questions, and hypotheses should contain measurable variables. This indicates what the research process will investigate. Secondly, description of the process of identifying and investigating the variables. It gives indication on the mechanism of selecting the variables for the study and the tools to measure them. Lastly, it must specify the boundaries of research, indicating the coverage of the indicators. This ensures sufficient checks and balances by clearly specifying the variables to control effect of the variables that are not covered in the study. I hope you have got enough insights about the concept and nature of research design. Let's summarize the key points learned in the video. We studied the meaning of research design and its nature, difference between research design and research methods, and also the criteria of a good research design.